G'day, this is Red Nectar. I'm doing an unboxing today. First time I've done one of these, and it is of a Cisco headset, a Cisco 730 headset that has been given to me by Cisco, so I didn't pay for it. So I figured the least I could do is at least unbox it. This is not a review. I'm just going to show you what's inside the box and what I like about it. First of all, I like the packaging. The packaging that is not over the top. It's just what you need. Tells you what it is. We've got a nice getting started guide here. This looks pretty good. Bring that out of the box and we'll pop that down there. Hopefully the getting started guide is all I need. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Yes, there's a little booklet here. Says made for iPhone, but it's got a USB-A connector there. Let's hope that we don't need that to make that darn thing work, right? Well, just chuck that and hope we don't need that. We don't need the box anymore. And I'll have a little look at that later on. So let's have a look. Let's open this thing up, see how it presents. So here I've got my headphones. There's that ugly USB thing that I really do not want to use. And one of the things I do like about these is that they don't have any mic on them, so you're not going to bump that and make a whole lot of noise. These, I believe, are the pickups. Volume up and down here, and I believe these are supposed to go next and forward track. And I think you can summon up Siri by pressing that. There's a tiny little light just there that should show you when you're charging and things like that. Hole there for charging. That I guess is. Oh, there must be some cables. Here are the cables. Yeah, stuck in the back here. Very nice. Okay, so yes, there's one of these very good quality connector, but anyway, I don't need that. That's the charging cable, USB again. Nice supple cable, don't need that. We'll get onto that later on. Right, yeah, what else we got? We've got some fairly comfortable looking headphones. They're not going to be over the ear. Nice bit of cushion up there. I've got a mute button there. I've got a power button there. I've got noise cancellation or off, or ambient, which I believe is supposed to be able to listen to your workers around you a little bit more easily with that. Not quite sure what the difference between ambient and off is, but there's those three different positions. All right, it's unpacked, and I guess I should finish a little bit more about the packaging. So there it is there. You can see it's got a nice place to pop those back in and keep them. And I like what a great little spot there to put your charging cables and stuff in there. Great. I'll go to the other screen now and turn it on and see if it works. I'm going to connect this to my Mac first of all, see how that goes. So I've got my Bluetooth settings there. So let's power this on. And if I hold that up there, my Bluetooth starts flashing. And hopefully over here, hopefully I'll get a device to connect. There it is. And so now here's my, and I get a couple of different coloured lights flashing away here, and it now looks like it's connected. Okay, so now we have this connected. I guess the next thing is to put these on and speak into the microphone and see if we can hear ourselves. Okay, so here we go. I've got the headphones here in front of me. I want to show you what happens when we turn them on. So clearly I'm recording through the Blue Yeti at the moment because I haven't turned these on. But if I turn these on, you'll see how that lights up there. And if I was listening to them, it would tell me that the headphones are turned on now and, the battery level's high, etc., etc. Isn't it great that they match the color of the headphones to the color of my hair. Now I've got those on. I think noise cancellation must be enabled because I can, you hear that funny difference. Sorry, I just hit that. Let's see what the recording is like now. I'm going to swap these over so that the recording is through my headphones rather than through that. And so enabling the Cisco and disabling the Blue Yeti. So you can tell the difference of, that microphone versus this microphone. And if I hit the mute button here, then of course you're not going to hear me at all. So I'll count to 10. 1, 2, mute. Unmuted, 7, 8, 9, 10. So hopefully you missed a few of those numbers in the middle while I was muted. What else can I tell you about the headphones? I think we're unboxed them now. The lights are on both sides, so if a coworker is approaching you while you're working at your desk, they can see that you're on call or something like that. So that's pretty useful. And power them off. Actually, this is something else. Let's see how this works. Supposedly, if you take them off, they mute themselves. So I'll do the count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Find out. I'll play this back, so I don't know whether that stopped recording, but the idea is that if you take your headphones off, you're not going to keep recording and saying stupid things. So they're a business headset. I have no idea what the price is, but I don't expect that they're going to be the same price as my Blue Yeti, for instance. It was a couple $100 anyway. I'll leave it with you. I'm Red Nectar. I'm out of here. If you get a set of these, enjoy them.